when you're super greedy, you don't want to give him space, so the truck driver can keep walking and going away. Move that shit, yeah? Now she's calling the cops because she doesn't want it. Tenemos driver. No le quiere al campo driver. She's been fucking greedy. She thinks she owns the... Look at this shit. Look at all this space. Can't leave a space to the... You gotta give him space. He's working. He's not playing around. Just backed up. Gonna be famous. I think she got her driver's license in the McDonald's meal box because she doesn't want to give him the space. She says the woman first. Some people, just because they're handicapped, they think they own the fucking streets. Cubs are here. I think she's backing up. Hey, there you go. Give her more space.
Something else going on with her.
Bye-bye.